Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the check so the printed edge faces you. Look along the bottom where numbers run without spaces. Once you see that continuous line, note there are 3 groups separated by symbols. These are meaningful. You should use a magnifier or a bright lamp because Micr uses magnetic ink that often appears slightly raised or darker. Make sure to read left to right. The routing transit appears early, and the account number follows. This gives you the core Micr sequence to capture. Once you have the line, you decode it by group. The transit or routing number appears first, then the account number, and finally the check number. You read left to right, count digits as you go and note special symbols that mark group edges. These aren't letters but separators. If ink blurs, photograph the check at an angle or use a document scan app to boost contrast. This helps you distinguish similar-looking digits. Keep a written copy so you can verify each group later. You finish by verifying every digit. Compare the Micr groups to the printed numbers above because transcription errors are common. Once done, perform any available checksum for the routing number or confirm with your bank before depositing. This prevents returned items. If the Micr line is smudged or faded, make sure to ask the issuer for a new check or the explicit Micr details. As a troubleshooting tip, never guess digits. Banks reject incorrect Micr entries, so get confirmation first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.